Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. There are numerous popular get-rich-quick money-making ideas that constantly pop up, ranging from online lottery to stuffing envelopes at home. Are they effective? Not at all. Will you be able to profit from it? Maybe. However, your 9-to-5 job would most likely pay you more money. At the very least, you will have a steady income. The truth is that there are legitimate ways to make money online, and millions of people do so every day. There are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a reliable internet connection, from freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to aspiring entrepreneurs. So let us take a look at some legitimate online money-making opportunities. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. To begin, dropshipping is a great way to make money from home. Dropshipping is when you sell items on your website, but don't keep the inventory. Instead, you contact the wholesaler or merchant and pass the order along to them after an order is placed on your website. They handle all of the packing and delivery for you, so you don't have to. Isn't it simple enough? Is it worthwhile to dropship? Dropshipping allows you to profit by adding a profit margin to your product. The merchant will give you their total price, and you can then add whatever you want as profit earnings to that. It is important to remember that your profit margin must be realistic because e-commerce is so competitive. However, you must cover costs such as website hosting while still making a profit. It can be a trial and error process to determine product prices. You will find out quickly how much your customers are willing to pay for the products you are selling. Most people who run a dropshipping business aim for profit margins of 20 to 30%. Take into account the items you are selling as well. A lower cost item may be more popular and provide a consistent income, but a higher cost item will result in higher profit margins. Because you don't have to pay for or store inventory, dropshipping is worthwhile. You only place orders for items that have already been paid for by your customer. You also don't have to worry about packing and shipping. To start making money with a dropshipping website, follow these 5 steps. Set up your website hosting first. This is a natural place to begin, but it will require some investigation. It is tempting to use a free service, but you won't be able to monetize your website if you do. This is where the majority of your startup costs will be incurred. Look for a reputable domain hosting service, such as SiteGround or Bluehost. Then, depending on your needs, install website software such as WordPress, 3D or Shopify. Using well-known services like these, you will be able to find applications and plugins. These tips will assist you in making your e-commerce store as efficient and appealing as possible. Which is the most effective way to increase sales? Second, choose a niche. What kind of merchandise do you want to sell? Who do you want to be your customers? Consider the size of your target market and the profit potential of your product line. Homewares, for example, will appeal to a wide range of people. However, you will face more competition in marketing your website as a shopping destination. Although a niche market has a smaller audience, it is less competitive in terms of marketing. Because the number of outlets is limited, you will be more likely to succeed with high-priced items if your store is very niche. Find your dropship suppliers is the third one. You must locate the manufacturers of the products you wish to sell. You can do this manually or use a free app like Yakyofi to gather all of the information in one place for you. When it comes to finding the best dropshipping products for your store, this will save you a lot of time. It will also assist you in obtaining the best prices. Fourth is to create a storefront. This is the most enjoyable part. You have 2 options. Do it yourself. There are plenty of free online tutorials to assist you, or hire a front-end web designer. It all comes down to your level of comfort with digital technology. Doing it yourself has the advantage of allowing you to teach yourself as you go. Your ongoing website development costs will be reduced as a result. As your company grows, you can add products and change the look of your website. Remember to make your customers' purchasing experience as simple as possible. This entails providing clear and appealing product images, as well as a wealth of information. When you first start out, try not to have too many sections on your website. The more easily products can be found on the site, the more likely they will be sold. Finally, create a marketing strategy. It is time to start marketing your e-commerce business once your website is up and running. A dropshipping website's best and quickest way to gain sales is through social media. Create a strategy for promoting your company or specific products on platforms that your target audience will use. Some products may benefit from being promoted on Facebook. Others, such as home and interior design products, may fare better on the social media platform. Second, consider using print on demand. Another popular way to make money online is through print on demand or POD. Because it has a lower overhead than other businesses, many people have adopted this business model. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in that you don't have to keep inventory or ship products out to customers. However, there are two minor differences. To begin, you can create your own custom products, which is excellent for establishing brand recognition. Second, rather than having to choose from a large number of categories, you can select specific items. T-shirts, mugs, and tote bags are among the products available from most print-on-demand companies. What is the best way to profit from your print-on-demand business? Marketing channels that are completely free. Your best bet is to promote your products for free on Instagram and Pinterest, as well as through social media influencers who have a high conversion rate. Finally, you have the option of creating an online course. One of the best ways to make money online is to sell courses. You can monetize your knowledge by creating online courses if you are an expert on a subject. You can sell your course on Udemy or through your own website if you already have an audience. With online courses, some entrepreneurs can earn up to $5,000 per month. Take inspiration from popular courses in your niche to create a popular and successful course. Then take a look at the feedback. What are the features that people admire? And what are the features that people despise? What makes you think you can make something better than what has already been made? Concentrate on creating content that addresses the most common complaints while also emulating the positive aspects that people adore. The platform on which you sell your course will determine how much money you make. You don't need to do much to promote your course if you sell it in Udemy. It is almost as if you can set it and forget it. Perhaps you could promote it on some blogs or social media sites. If the course is hosted on your own website, however, you may want to run ads to promote it. Without having to pay for marketing, you can also build an email list to promote future courses. Making money online can not only keep you afloat during these trying times, but it can also help you quit your 9-to-5 job and pursue your dream of becoming a full-time entrepreneur. You gain more financial freedom, improve your financial security, and get closer to living life on your own terms by brainstorming online business ideas and deciding to start an online business. It is possible to make a living online if you put in the effort and persevere. So, which money-making idea are you going to go after first? That is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.